Hello, thank you for coming to the video today. Um, the topic of today's video is uh, students will manipulate the view options on Zoom to see a shared video better. Okay, so right now I'm sharing video with my second computer, and I'm just going to imagine that I'm in class and the teacher is reading this book about Malala. Okay, and when the teacher is reading like this, we are assuming that you would like to see the book as big as possible. Okay, now in Zoom, there are a few things that can happen. First of all, we have a slider bar here that controls the size of the shared image, and we can actually use that to make the shared image quite small, where now I would have trouble reading what my teacher is trying to show, okay, or what my colleague is trying to show. So if I slide that back, and I've got to be right on it to do that, right, I can make it bigger. My other choice is here in the view menu. When I click the view menu, I'm able to get some different options, so I can put just one person there perhaps and make it even smaller. So that's the speaker is like the one person speaking or leading the class. If you have gallery, you would have all of your classmates, and you could have more boxes over there. And the other option is to change to the standard view, which is going to show the big window at the bottom and the small windows on top. And this is another great option to really look at it really big, okay? Now today in class, I'm going to ask you to show that you can do this. So I'm going to say, take out your phone, okay? And you're going to take a picture of your screen like this with the big image of the book I'm reading. Take a picture, and then you're going to send it to me to show that you have manipulated your screen just like this. Okay, so in that way, I hope after watching this, you'll be able to manipulate the view options on Zoom to see a shared video better. Okay, so remember over here you have these view options that let you do that. Okay, so especially the standard view. Okay, and you can also use the slider view. If anything happens and you've switched something, okay, then sometimes students get stuck like this with a really tiny view. You might get an option to swap the video there, but most of the times that doesn't happen, okay, and you're able to stay just like this with a big view of the teacher's screen. So thanks for watching, and I hope you're able to do this important skill for remote learning.